Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about how to apply for Macquarie University Scholarships in Australia for undergraduate and masters. These are open for all international students. We'll show the full detailed process for this. How do you apply for admission and how do you apply for scholarships separately? Full process will be shown in this video. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, then like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarships have their links in the post descriptions, or you can directly message our team on Instagram and ask for the link. The link for this fully funded scholarship in Australia is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective descriptions. And also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. You can click on them and it will take you to our website here. Meanwhile, you can directly Google fullscholarships.net and it will take you to our website as well. And here you can see some summary about the scholarship. It's open for undergraduate and masters institutions, that is the Macquarie University, and destination is Australia. Programs offered under this are undergraduate and postgraduate, and some periods are also for 1 year of the academic, and deadlines may vary as per the country and course, so you have to check in here. And before that, there's a scholarship coverage of 10,000 Australian dollars applied towards your tuition fee. And to be eligible for this, you should be able to speak English, and everyone can apply except Australia and New Zealand and meet the English requirements. Like your bachelor should be in bachelor should be in the English language if you're applying for masters, or your high school should be taught in English if you're applying for bachelors. Then minimum equivalent 65 postgraduate applications. So likewise, there are some certain conditions which they have, and be accepted to the program prior to applying to scholarship. So we'll show the full process for this. Step 1, you have to apply for an online course application form that you have to fill for the admission, and step 2, you have to fill the online scholarship form. So we have given both links. Click for admission, click for scholarship. First, let's go for admission. Click on this here, and once you click on that, you can see how to apply as an international student, and you can see viewer degrees applied to directly to the Macquarie University. So you can click on this here and it will open the admission form here. For the first time users, you have to click on register. Once you click on register, you agree to terms and conditions here. Click on accept, and now enter state and stages, citizenship stats, and you can see intending to study onshore in Australia. Select that and click on first name, your last name, and your email. Then create a password here, and simply are you in Australia now? Select no. And what's your citizenship? Mention the country which you are from. So one by one you answer all the questions. Click on register. I already have registered, so I'll just click on login section so that I use my details here which I have created, like the same process. And here are my username and password. So let me just log in with the details here. Now you can see, okay, authentication failed, so let's log in again. So let me click on my I have forgotten my password here and try to reset the password. Okay, now we'll receive an email with the reset password link. Yeah, there you go. You have to click on this to reset the password. So click on this link here. Now let's reset the password and click on reset, and click on update, click on return to login, and now click on login with the details here and click on login. So now this time you can see we have successfully logged in here. There are some previous applications as well, but you have to click on start new application here, start an application, and select a type you wish to apply. I wish to go for bachelor's. Click on search here. You can see different programs are there. You can apply for any of the programs you wish. You can choose master's, PhD as well, but bachelor's and master's scholarship are open right now. For example, I'll go with this bachelor's of applied finance. Click on apply now here, and there you have to fill the rest of the form. You can see before you start, you check I am eligible for the program and click on I am ready to apply. So one by one you complete these sections here, 1 2 3 4, attachment, verify and submit. So first is your details, like your first name, your last name, and have you been known by other names, so you can mention this, and your date of birth, and you can mention the date of birth here. This should be as per the passport. Make sure you save the details as per the passport here. And we'll just mention no here. Now let's go to the first step again and click on OK, and see what's missing there so that we fill that detail here. So yeah, please select your other name. So no, we don't have any other name. Or in Australia now, as of now, we don't. Have you previously been Australia? To no, we have not. So you upload your passport here. So you can click on upload and upload the passport here. Okay, now let's upload the passport. There you go. And do you hold an Australian visa? As of now, I am not holding. And marital stats mention that with family. Do you have any relatives in Australia? Have you had a visa application rejection? So no, as of now. Had a rejected visa? So no, as of now we have nothing. And do you understand the full tuition cost and accompanying expenses are required for your study? Yes. And yes, I'll be able to support. And now select the country and the region and address line 1 and then city, and then same as the above, mention the mobile number, and after that you click on save and continue. So now this section should be complete. Let's now try the step 2. Okay, first let's submit the qualification name, high schools. Then you can select the institution here, choose the country, and look up institution, and click on OK. Mention your other name and years you have been there for schooling, and mention months. And have you completed? Yes. A date of award, so you can mention the date of award here, and then attach the transcripts here. So one by one you'll have to attach. This might take few seconds to load, but you have to wait. And you can see after this, is English your first language? Mention yes. Would you like to package your offer with an English language program? So as of now we won't. We'll just click on save and continue. First, in the first step there is some issue, we'll fix that, but later on. First let's move to the third step here. Now recognition to other details you wish. Sponsorship you can mention, will you be sponsored by government, or as of now no. Any disability, overseas health cover, you have to mention that here, and recognition of prayer. So yes and no you can mention, but we are not seeking any. As of now we don't have any health insurance, and we'll have a single occupancy. Click on save and continue. Now after this, fourth step we have, and there you can see privacy statement declaration. Click on save and continue. Now you have to attach the documents here one by one. So let's go to the fourth step again and see what's the issue there, what's missing. Okay, have you attended? No. Promotional code is there. Under age, okay. Campus information, privacy statement, you agree to this, agree here, yes, and click on save and continue. Now this should clear the red apostrophe. Okay, and if anything to attach, you can attach that. Click on save and continue. Like we have passport transcripts already attached. Okay, course preference, so verify the course preference here. Here you can see select course options. So we'll select one intensive course or standard program course, and select this July 2026, and click on select. Save all courses. You can see we're ready. Click on save and continue. Now this apostrophe should fix. Yeah, it's done. Go to verify here, click on OK, and let's verify our details first. Before we hit submit, you can see we're ready. Click on submit. Our application reference number is generated as well, and we have applied for Bachelor's of Applied Finance. That's a simple process they have. You can see application study reference number, everything done, and yeah, study link applicant number. Now you'll receive a username and password in study link for study link, and maybe you have to upload some documents there. For this was for the scholarship, sorry, admissions, and you have completed. You can see submitted applications here. You can see, and you can now application has been submitted successfully. So we complete our first part, and student number, application number already done. You'll also receive an email here. You can see. Let me check you that. Uh, yeah, here you can see reference number is already there. So we completed first part. Now we click on for scholarship here. Click for the scholarship form. Step 2, and yeah, agree to this terms and conditions here. Click on next. Enter your title, your name, and Macquarie study student ID. So we already have received a student ID. Let me go to my documents or my resources and my account. So you might receive a student ID. View activity here. So student ID will be sent to you. Uh, as of now, we'll just copy this reference number, but student ID you have to separately. Then your date of birth. This should be as per the password that you mentioned here. Now, what scholarships are you applying? So you can see Vice Chancellor's International Scholarship here. You have to tick that. Are you currently at no? Are you an international student? Select yes. Citizenship type. And then are you holding a full offer letter from this? As of now, we are not, but we'll mention yes because we'll be receiving soon. But this you have to only submit after you receive the offer letter. I'm showing in the form how it looks. What level is your first program? So you can see English language program, and type your name. You can mention your name here and the date and time. Then click on submit form. So you can see your form was successfully submitted for the scholarships. We completed first admission part, then scholarship part. But you have to fill this form only once you get evaluated and once you receive an offer letter here for the application you have made. So let me show you the email. You can see scholarship application is also complete, and there is an application number here. You'll also receive the student number separately, and that you have to only use for that. That's a simple process. You have here, you can see, you can download a PDF of this as well, and submitted applications, resources, everything is there. That's it for today. You have any confusions, ask us in the comment section. That was the application part for the Macquarie University Australia, Sydney. And anything in confusion, write in the comment section. And until then, do subscribe, like, and share this video. Keep watching, keep visiting our website fullscholarship.net. Have a nice day ahead.